it's Laura from Lightning Cosplay. Well, we finally start with our Monster Hunter cosplay video series. I made the full Ration armor in only 4 weeks, and most of the costume is made out of foam, which makes it possible to work very fast. But we also 3D modeled and printed some parts, like the slinger here. I wanted a fully functional slinger, and I can actually shoot with it. Choo! To figure out the mechanism was very complicated and took us a while until everything worked as we wanted. So I'm not explaining every little detail, this would take more than one video. This video just gives you an overview how we assembled all parts and how I painted them, but I still hope it helps you to understand how this thing works. So let's start! I'm a big Monster Hunter fan since so many years now, and I love playing Monster Hunter World. This is my favorite armor set in the game, the Ration armor. I really like the design, especially the headpiece and, yes, the senseless skirt. First, let me start with the horns. I made them out of 5mm EVA foam. The little spikes were also just made out of EVA foam. As glue, I always use contact cement. Looks nice so far, but the horns needed more texture. I just burned the texture in with a wood burning tool, which you can see here. To seal the EVA foam, I primed it with some layers of Plastidip. Ralph 3D modeled the slinger in Fusion 360. His engineer skills were very helpful to create the mechanics. We printed most of the parts several times because Ralph had to make lots of tests until the mechanics and everything worked out as we wanted. He tried out different shapes and different types of springs. After some days of testing, he was happy with the mechanics and we printed the final pieces. But before we assembled the slinger, I first had to sand and paint everything. I added the cord, and then it was finally time to assemble everything. I will not try to explain it in detail now. I think the video speaks for itself. Then we filled the horns with expanding foam, which also made sure that they stick firmly and were no longer able to rotate. I added some last details and weathered everything a little bit. And the slinger was done. It works so great! This is definitely the coolest prop we ever made. see, it's not just an awesome prop, it's also a very nice cat toy. So I hope this video gives you an idea how we built the slinger, even when I did not explain every little detail. If you have some questions, let me know in the comments. There's still lots of Monster Hunter cosplay videos coming soon, so if you don't want to miss them, subscribe to our channel and then see you next time. Bye bye! Whoa.